guys, we're down here at Bondi Beach, North Bondi Gym. Today, obviously, I'm going to be introducing to you my new program that I launched in Bondi Street. It's a fantastic high intensity interval training. So you're going to get that lean muscle tissue development, targeting that belly fat that you need to really get that waistline down. And that's why the program is so effective. All you need is a timer, guys. Go get yourself a boxing timer. We're going to be working for 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off for 4 minutes. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. We're going to continue to do 8 sets. Are you ready to sweat? So, ready to go? We're going to start with a isometric squat. The squat, we're coming down